Finally, we are going to get our own Master Grade RX 93FF. And looking at the details, this is not just a direct copy of the Bandai Master Grade version. Hey Mecha fans, welcome back for another preview. This time we will be looking at the MG RX 93FF V Gundam. This will be a 1:100 Master Grade scale to be manufactured by Machine Soulstorm. This will be at the height of 23 centimeters with materials made from ABS, POM, and polystyrene and polycaps. I guess no metal inner frame will be included on this kit. This is a assembly type model kit. The first batch will have a pre-order price of 218 RMB. That is roughly about $31 US. Depends where you're getting it from. The first batch will also include a free metal stand as a bonus. The outer armor looks like it's from a garage kit model kit, and we also get these fixed hands, which is a big plus compared to the original Bandai Master Grade. And this will have an estimated release around the fourth quarter of this year. So stay tuned for more updates. And next on the list, we have a new model kit from Xingzan Model. This is the Master Grade 1:100 Red Hawthorne, also known as Gunner Saku Warrior Luna Maria Hawk Custom, with metal frame included. Estimated release date is around June to July of this year 2025, which will be priced around $22 US estimate. Again, please check out your local seller, as price may varies. Anyway, that's it for me for now. Subscribe for more update. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.